Hello everyone, the spirit of Finnegan Ball has come to an end for this year. We hope you had as much fun as we did, taking a trip down memory lane, seeing the difference you have made over the years, and looking ahead to the exciting new opportunities that will be created for our boys.
We were so inspired by your generosity and seeing so many Vancouver College families, alumni, and friends come together to support a common goal, the bright futures of our boys.
As you know, this year our fundraising was dedicated to enhancing our outdoor learning environment and developing spaces and programs to allow for deeper social connections amongst our boys. We have achieved our goal, and I want to sincerely thank you for your support.
On behalf of all the teachers, staff, and students at Vancouver College, thank you.
Speaking of thanks, I think there are a few people here that would also like to join me and say a few words.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Wow, that really says it all. This has been such a different experience for the Finnegan Ball team, and yet we've had so much fun reimagining the event. There has been much to learn, and we have discovered new talents along the way. But once again, we've come together as a community, something we will never take for granted again. Thank you so much to all of our parent volunteers and the VC staff who worked late into the night for weeks to create this event. And of course, thank you to our generous prize donors for their continued support and for keeping the fun in Finnegan Ball. On behalf of the Finnegan Ball team and the entire Vancouver College Parents Association, I would also like to thank all of you. Thank you for honoring the tradition of Finnegan Ball, and thank you for your commitment to the bright futures of all of our boys. See you next year. Semper Fidelis.